Before going to real numbers, let us know the number system. First, as you know, natural numbers starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as it goes on, and whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 starts from 0. As I told you earlier, we have 0. So take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and integers both plus and minus, that is 0, minus 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it? And rational number is a fraction indicating the quotient of two integers, that is p by q. Either it can be terminating or non-terminating and recurring decimals. An irrational number is a number that cannot be expressed as an ordinary ratio of two integers. That is, it can't be expressed as an ordinary ratio of two integers. That means it will be a square numbers. So root 3, root 5 as it goes on. Okay. Now let us move on to the exercise 2.1. Question number 1. Which arrow is the best? Shows the position of 11 by 3 on the number line. Here we have a number line represent A, B, C and D. Solving 11 by 3, we must find out which arrow is the best arrow which shows the position of 11 by 3. So to find 11 by 3, divide 11 by 3. So 3 3s are 9, remaining 2. Keep decimal, add 0. 6 3s are 18. Again we have remaining 2. Already we have decimal, add 0. 6 3s are 18. So again we get 2. So it goes on. Okay, 3.66. Okay, or otherwise write 3.66 bar. Okay, 11 by 3 is equal to 11 by 3 is equal to 3.66. Okay, now you have to check up with A. So it is plus 3.66. So it is given as minus 3. So it is minus 3.12 or 3. Okay, so A does not show the correct position. Next, go with B. Here between 2 and 3. B represent between 2 and 3, but we have the numbers between 3 to 4, which reaches from 3 to 4. So B also doesn't show the correct position. Then C. C is less than 3.5. Now you can see easily. So between 3 and 4, the mid place is here. So 3 and 4, here it is less than 3.5. So it is greater than 3.5, that is 3.66. So again C is also doesn't show the correct position. So after 3.5 we can see D, that is 3.66. So D shows the correct position. Therefore 11 by 3. Therefore D shows the correct position of position of 11 by 3. Question number 2. Find any three rational numbers. Write only any three rational numbers between minus 7 by 11 and 2 by 11. So now let us write the rational numbers between minus 7 by 11 and 2 by 11 are, as you know, minus 7 by 11, then minus 6 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 4 by 11, minus 3 by 11, minus 2 by 11, and minus 1 by 11, and then 0, 1 by 11, because it is between. So between 7 by 11, and 2 by 11 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, 7. So by 4 plus 1 by 5. Now multiply with 5 and here with 4. So 1 by 2 within bracket 5 ones are 5 plus 1 fours are 4 divided by 5 fours are 20. So 1 by 2 into 9 by 20 is equal to 1 nines are 9, 2 twos are 4, 0. So Q1 is equal to 9 by 40. That is rational number 1. So we are asked us to find 5 rational number. So again to find Q2, that is rational number 2, 1 by 2 plus A plus Q1. So 1 by 2 A, that is 1 by 4 plus Q1 9 by 40. Here to make it 40, just what you have to do is multiply with 10. 10 fours are 40. So both to the numerator as well as denominator. So 1 by 2 into 10 ones are 10 plus 9 by 40 is equal to 1 by 2 10 plus 9 19 by 40. So that therefore Q2 is equal to 19 ones are 19 by 2 fours are 8 and 0. So 19 by 80. Then to find Q3, that is ratio number 3, again multiply 1 by 2 A plus Q2, or otherwise you can find using Q1 and Q2 also. So go with A plus Q2. 1 by 2 into A, we have 1 by 4 plus Q2 is 19 by 8. So 1 by 2 into 4 twos are 8. Okay, so that you have to multiply with 20. So 4 twos are 8 and 0. To make it equal, or else go with LCM. Multiply with 20. 20 ones are 20 plus 19 divided by 80. So 1 by 2 into 39. 20 plus 19, 39 by 80 is equal to 39 by 8 twos are 16. So 160. So Q3 is equal to 39 by 160. So Q4, to find Q4, we go with Q1, that is half into Q1 plus Q2. Otherwise you can use A plus Q3. Okay. Now 1 by 2 Q1, we have 9 by 40 plus for Q2 19 by 80. So here 40 plus 80. So 4 twos are 8. So we have 0. So 40 into 2, 80. Goes to the numerator also. So 1 by 2, 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 19 divided by 80 is equal to 1 by 2. 8 plus 9, 17. 1, 2, 37 by 80 is equal to, therefore Q4 is equal to 31. 37 ones are 37 by 8 twos are 16, 0. We have to find one more, Q5. So Q5, 1 by 2 with Q1 and Q2. Then we can go with Q3 plus Q4. 1 by 2 for Q3. For Q3, we got 39 by 160 plus Q4, 37 by 160. So 1 by 2, 160, 160 is common. 160 divide 39 7. So we have 76. So 76 by 160. Even if you want to cancel, you can cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, remaining 1, 8 twos are 16. So is equal to 38 by 160. Q5 is equal to 38 by 160. So Q1 is equal to 9 by 40, Q2 is equal to 19 by 80, and Q3 is equal to 39 by 160, and Q4 is equal to 37 by 160, Q5 is equal to 38 by 160. Actually, in question we are asked to find 5 rational number, but we can find number of rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. Question number 2, 0.1 and 0.11. You have to find 5 rational numbers between 0.1 and 0.11. So converting this decimal into fraction, 0.1 is equal to 1. After decimal we have 1 place, so write as 1 by 10. And for 0.11, write as 1 divided by tenth and 100. So you have to find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 10 and 11 by 100. So taking to find Q1, 1 by 2 A plus B, 1 by 2 A, 1 by 10 plus B, 11 by 100. So into to make find LCM. So take into 10 both to the numerator as well as denominator. So 1 by 2 within bracket 10 plus 11 by 100. So 1 by 2, 10 plus 11, 21 by 100. So 121s are 21 by 2 into 100, 200. So Q1 is equal to 21 by 200. Next, we have to find out Q2. To find Q2, 1 by 2 with A plus Q1. So 1 by 2 A, taking 1 by 10 plus Q1 is equal to 21 by 200. So here 10 into 200. So to make this also as 200 multiplied with 20. So that 1 by 2 into 20. 120s are 20 plus 21 divided by 200 is equal to 1 by 2. 20 plus 21, 41 by 200. Then, so 41 ones are 41, 2 into 2, 4, 00. So this is Q2. Okay, now let us find Q3, 1 by 2. So either you can take Q1 as well as Q2. So Q1 plus Q2 is equal to 1 by 2. Q1 is equal to 21 by 200 plus Q2 41 by 400. Then to make even, so multiply with 2 to the numerator as well as denominator, so that we get 400. 2 into 2, 4, 2 zeros. So 1 by 2 into 400. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 plus 41. So 1 by 2, 42 plus 41, 83 by 400. So therefore Q3 is equal to 1 into 81, 1 into 83, 83, 4 twos are 8, 00. So Q3 is equal to 83 by 800. And then to find Q4, Q4 is equal to 1 by 2. Take A plus, so already we have taken Q1, go with Q2. So 1 by 2, A 1 by 10 plus Q2 is equal to 41 by 400. So to make even, multiply 10 into 40. So 1 by 2, 40, ones of 40 plus 41 divided by 400. So 1 by 2 into 40 plus 41, 81 by 400. So 1 into 81, 81, 4 2s are 8, 00. So Q4 is equal to 81 by 800. Okay, then to find Q5, 1 by 2. So Q3 and Q4 is greater, so you can change. Either you can take B plus Q2 or A plus Q2. Already we have taken A plus Q2. So go with A, Q3 plus B. So 1 by 2, Q3, we have 83 by 800. Plus B is equal to 11 by 100. Now multiply with 8 both to the numerator as well as denominator. 1 by 2 into 83 plus 11 8s are 88 by 800. So 1 by 2, 83 plus 88, 16, 16 plus 1, 17. So 171 by 800. So 1 into 171, 171, 2 8s are 16, 00. So Q5 is equal to 171 by 1600. So we have found 5 rational numbers between 1 by 10 and 11 by 100. Question number 3. Find the rational numbers between. Question number 3. Find the rational numbers between -1 and -2. So take A is equal to -1 and B is equal to -2. So to find Q1, 1 by 2 of A plus B. So 1 by 2 A minus 1 B minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 of same sign, so minus 3, same sign and. So 1 3s are 3, minus 3 by 2. Q1 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, next Q2, to find Q2, 1 by 2 of A plus Q1. Okay, 1 by 2 A is minus 1 and Q1 is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Here minus 1 is a whole number, that is an integer. So put 1 into 2, multiply with 2 for numerator as well as denominator. So 1 by 2 of 1 2s are 2, minus 2 minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, same sign add, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 by 2 is equal to 1 5s are 5 minus 5, 2 2s are 4. So Q2 is equal to minus 5 by 4. Then to find Q3, 1 by 2, you can take Q1 as well as Q2. So write Q1 plus Q2. So 1 by 2 of Q1 minus 3 by 2 plus Q2 minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4, so remove minus 5 by 4. Taking LCM, multiply with 2 to the numerator as well as denominator to make it even. So minus 3 2s are 6 minus 5 by 2 2s are 4 is equal to 1 by 2, same sign add, minus 6 plus 5, 11 by 4. So So 1 11s are 11 by 4 2s are 8. So taking Q4 is equal to minus 11 by 8. Q3 is equal to minus 11 by 8. Find Q4 1 by 2 of, go with Q2 as well as and Q3. Q2 plus Q3. 1 by 2 of Q2. Q2 we have minus 5 by 4 plus Q3 minus 11 by 8. So right, minus 11 by 8. Okay, multiply with 2 both to the numerator as well as denominator is equal to 1 by 2 by 2s are 10 minus 11 by 4 2s are 8. 1 by 2 same sign and minus 21 by 8. So to multiply plus into minus 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 21 by 8 2s are 16. So Q4 is equal to minus 21 by 16. And to find Q5, 1 by 2 of, we can go with Q1 with B. So Q1 plus B. Otherwise even you can take Q3 and Q4 for Q5. So 1 by 2 Q1 we have minus 3 by 2 and for B we have minus 2. So minus 2, write minus 2 by 1. So multiply with 2 to the numerator as well as denominator. 1 by 2 of minus 3 minus 2 2s are 4 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 by 2. Same sign add. So minus 7 by 2 multiply 1 7s are 7 minus 7 by 2 2s are 4. So Q5 is equal to minus 7 by 4. And students, now we have found 5 rational numbers Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and Q5. And we have come to the end of this exercise, and this is one of the very easiest